Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my videos. Today I'm very excited to have actually received my long awaited bike. I ordered for this bike and have actually waited for over 3 months before receiving it, but I'm grateful today I've received, and we are doing assembling. These bikes are available with me, by the way. It's not only this piece. I have a lot of them in stock. If you are interested in a fat tire bike, please feel free to come to my inbox. I can give you one of these bikes. So today we are doing the assembling of this bike, and of course after a few minutes you'll actually be able to see how this bike moves. This bike is majorly made for fitness, or what we call exercise. So if you're outside there and you want to burn calories, you want to reduce on weight and all other fitness related issues, you can acquire yourself this bike. Yeah, definitely it will help you in a lot of your fitness journey. We are going to do assembling of this bike. We test it, and of course I'll give you much more feedback on it. We are so much excited to have you today. I'm with my technician and he's trying to do the assembling on this bike. Yeah, anyone can acquire this bike. Many people have been asking me how much do I need to have that bike. Yes, we are in Uganda and we can send this bike anywhere you are. The pieces that are still available are still in their boxes, not yet even assembled. So you can either tell us to assemble this bike for you and send you the bike that is fully assembled, or we can send you the bike that is still in its box. Yes, you can assemble it yourself and yeah, start making your exercises. So after our assembling was done, this is how the bike looks like. And of course, let's do the test and see